Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please hit that subscribe button below and tap the little bell to get notified for every video I do post, because I post a whole bunch of DIYs, especially for your business. But yeah, guys, I had a lot of people request me to make this video. It's for double layered vinyl labels, so it is 2 layers of vinyl, and they kind of stand out a lot more than like the regular standard just vinyl labels. But yeah, guys, if you want to figure out how to do this, stay tuned. Okay, you're going to want to open up the app Fonto, and then you're going to type in whatever text you want to use for the label. She wanted it be Winkle. I believe that is her business name. So I am just going to do the font that she wanted to do. And then I'm going to hit style. And then I just changed the colors to the colors of the label she wanted, just to show you guys. She wanted it blue, and then the stroke is going to be gold. And then the width, I'm going to move it all the way up like that, so there is a background behind it, like so. And then that's all you do here. You're going to save this as an image or PNG or something. And then once that is saved, you're going to go to Cricut, Design Space. I hit New Project. I'm going to upload this image. I'm going to hit that. And then I'm just going to delete the white background for the first time I upload it. So therefore, it's just the bubble around the word. I'm going to save it as a cut image. You can save it as whatever you want. And then you're going to go back and re-upload it again. You're going to delete the white space. And then you're going to delete the gold space. You can raise that little tab at the bottom, the little dot. So then it deletes all the gold at once. So I'm just going to in between every little letter and erasing all of that. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the eraser. Sometimes it makes you do this, sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to take the eraser and erase that whole little outline around Be Winkle. It's really easy. Did not finish this part because I already have these uploaded, but yeah, after I'm done doing that, I save it just like the last one. Okay, so now those are both uploaded. I'm gonna open up uploaded images and select the Be Winkle, the background, and the top text. And then I'm just gonna change these to the blue and the gold, so when I cut it, all of the golds are all together and all the blues are all together. So now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to put the Be Winkle over that and select the whole text and make that whole image 1.8 inches. I believe these were for a 8 milliliter bottle or tube, so she wanted them 1.8 inches long. So now I'm just going to take the blue away from the gold and copy and paste it for however many labels I want. So say I want 10 labels, I'm going to copy and paste the blue wording 10 times, and I'm also going to copy and paste the gold background part of it 10 times. Okay, so I'm just showing an example for 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is select them all and align them horizontally. So then when I weld them together, they are the same width. They're not all spaced apart and all that. So yeah, so pretty much I select all of them and then I weld them. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the gold. I'm going to copy and paste it 3 times, well 2 times actually. And then I'm going to align them horizontally. And then I'm going to weld them together. So then when I cut them, they're cut that way. Because when you weld them, it welds whatever way you have it arranged. It'll be cut like that, like so. So anyway, so I'm just going to cut these like so. And yeah, I will show you that in a second. Okay guys, like in my last video, I put it on my computer. Well, I saved it and I'm on my computer now. Don't mind the fingerprints. My daughter always has my damn computer, or at least tries playing with it and just But anyways, I just copied and pasted a whole bunch of them because I have, I believe, 25 for this order. So I just copied and pasted the group I made. I made 5 instead of 3 on this one. But yeah, it's the same. The way I did it on my phone is the same way. You just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, and you weld them together. Same with these, and then so on. I just copied and pasted them because I have 25 to do. These are all my other ones I've already cut, which I will be showing how I do those as well if you want to see a few different colors together. But yeah, this is the one I showed on my phone. We are going to cut it. I'm going to hit make it up there. And what you're going to do is cut these and these. Wait guys, I have to add more. It didn't show. Yeah, okay. Copy, paste. So we're gonna make 25. And then I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna make one more. So there's 25. We're making 25. Anyways, I am gonna cut the blue first, so then when these are done and these are cutting, it'll give me a little bit of time to weed these out. So then once these are done, I can, you know, transfer them to one to another. It's actually really easy, guys. You'll watch and be like, oh my god, this is so easy. Like, but what was tricky for me, it was hard to get like a shadow effect, so I literally had to make it with like the stroke like I showed you in Fonto. So anyway, so I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna turn on my Cricut and plug it in. I should have done this. So now I'm just going to put the sheet. She wants turquoise and gold, so I'm gonna put the sheet on my mat and put it in. Okay, now that it is turning on, I'm going to slide this in here, hit the little arrow. On my screen, I'm gonna hit premium vinyl, and the way I get to this set material, if you're wondering, I have this set to custom, so then I can select the material I want. Otherwise you can put the vinyl, but I like setting the vinyl myself just so I don't mess up. Premium vinyl, and if you can't find that, you hit browse all materials and hit that. So I hit that, and I hit the little Cricut. And now it is going to cut those, and once it's done cutting, I will show you how I put the gold in, and then so on. So yeah guys, now that I have my gold on there, I inserted it, and now I'm going to make sure it says premium vinyl again. I'm going to go here, hit the Cricut, and right here, these are all the winkles. She wanted them 2 inches, yes, I think 2 inches, 2.5 inches, but yeah, that is what they look like. I'm gonna weed them, and then yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the gold to be done. If you haven't watched me weed stuff, then check out my other videos. I'll link in the description box. But yeah, pretty much you just peel this off. I don't want to do this whole sheet because then I'll waste this whole rest. Peel it off, and then I take my little weeder here and I get all the little like stuff like in between and all that. Also guys, look at this. This is my new thing to use when I weed. So like when I'm weeding, I can just like get all my stuff off in there, like all my little pieces of vinyl. Yeah guys, definitely invest $10 off Amazon. It's called Too Easy. I guess it's for like whole nail polish bottles, but it works just as good for this. Okay, so now that you're done cutting everything and weeding everything, I did weed everything out. If you want a video on me weeding, just comment below and I will do so. But yes, this is what it is going to look like right here. It is super cute, super pretty, and it's a lot bolder than just the text alone, as you can see. It does give it more definition, but right here I'm just going to take the transfer tape and rub in the vinyl to it as best as I can. Most like Cricut machines come with the little tool that presses everything on, which my set did not. I'm definitely going to invest in that, but Yeah, pretty much you're just going to rub it on as best as you can onto the vinyl, and then you're going to press it onto the gold. It seems a little tricky, but honestly, like the stroke of it in the background, you know, like the gold part, it really is a shadow of it, so you can see where to put the letters at. It lines it up perfectly. But yeah, guys, once you get everything onto the transfer tape, you just align it up the best as you can. Trust me, after one or two, you'll be like, oh, this is super duper easy. And it's a cute, different, like, label. It's not, you know, it's more defined, and it has a background to it. It gives it definition. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah, we'll do a little bit more of this, and then I'm going to show you the other labels in the background. I'm going to show you some more that I do that are double layered as well. And just to show you what to do with different kinds. And yeah, so you just keep doing what you're doing before. I usually use like one piece of transfer tape that I cut off. It's good for about maybe 4 labels the most. But yeah, so you just rub everything on there. And this transfer tape is from Amazon. It was like $16, but honestly, guys, this is like the best transfer tape I've ever used. I don't buy any other kind, like the ones from Michael's or the Cricut brand. I do not recommend. This is a lot easier to work with. It's a big roll, and it lasts me forever, literally. Like, I don't know, I love it. I will drop a link in the description box. It is from Amazon. Like I said, it is like 50 foot, I want to say, for like $17. So it will definitely last you a good few months. I think one roll lasted me like 3 or 4 months, and that's really, really good. But yeah, so just like I said, you're going to keep rubbing it into the transfer tape and just setting it onto the gold. And that's pretty much all you do for these. It's super easy. And sometimes some letters can be difficult. As you can tell, that B has been bothering me, but it's nothing really. It is very, very cute, and like a different label than others. Like I said, like it stands out from just the plain old 1-layer vinyl. But yeah, guys, so you just rub it in really well, and that is what you do. So guys, this is another label I did for another girl. These are LYX by Sugar. Super cute colors together, black and like an orange holographic. It is like a green orange holographic. It's super pretty in the light. But yeah, pretty much do the same thing. You just rub it in and put it on. It's super cute. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to do this one. This is a bigger label. I believe this is for like a wand tube. Yeah, it's for Callie's, I want to say. Callie's Creations. Super cute colors together. And like I've done with the other one, you just rub it into the transfer tape and put it onto the purple. Super easy, guys. I'm telling you, once you do it once, you're like, oh my god, this is so easy. This is super cute. Definitely worth it. Another tip, guys, if you are selling these to people, the like single layer vinyl, like say I was just gonna sell the Bewinkle part, like the teal part of it or like the blue part of it, I would put transfer tape on top of it when I sell it. But like for these double layered ones, you do not need to include transfer tape when you sell it to them, because it is like a one sticker thing. Like it comes off altogether. Guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But aren't these just so cute, guys? Oh, I love them so much. But yeah, thanks for watching.